Okay. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know. Any friends? That's what's going on. You gonna be my friend? Come here. Come here and be my friend. Say hi to the world. Say hi over here. Look. Say hi. I love you too. Oh. Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be look number 2 with the Jawbreaker palette, and let me tell you, it was fun doing the first look. I have no idea what I was going to do, and this time I still don't know what I'm going to do, but I know that as far as Jeffree is concerned, he's always using so many colors, so I wanted to do the same. So I was looking at all these colors this morning, and I'm really leaning towards these beautiful pastel colors. Basically, I'm leaning towards the colors I have not used and perhaps incorporate one of the shimmers into it. So me and you, we're going to find out at the same time what the heck I'm doing, because I'm going with the flow. This planning out has never worked for me, and going with the flow, I end up getting these looks that are like, wow. And I'm like, okay, screw the planning. Let's just go with it. So if my face is looking a little bit odd and different, it's because I prepped it. I did basically everything I thought: the primer, foundation, blush, bronzer, all that jazz. On my eyes, they look whiter because I used the PLOE base, and this is 0, so it's still white. So what else? Oh, I'm trying a new foundation from Dior. It's actually behind me. I'm going to turn around this time. This one is their Dior Forever Undercover, and I have a little sample. And since today's Wednesday, a friend of mine does Wear Test Wednesdays, and I was like, you know what? I've been wanting to try this out. So I did, and I'm liking it because Dior Backstage, this is my favorite foundation of all time. This foundation is like water, but it covers, and you feel like you're not wearing nothing. And this one is almost exactly the same, and I'm hating it because I do not need another foundation. Says all of us, right? So let's go ahead and dig into this and start this little eye look tutorial. Mind you guys, if you look at these colors and you're like, I could never do it, I was there. I was a very neutral type girl. I like my brown, my earth tone type colors. All colors. It was up once in a blue moon when I wanted to match my shirt. But one day I just said, let me get a colorful palette. And I'm trying to think which was the first like real colorful palette. I'm looking at them over there. I think it was like one of Morphe ones. And I really didn't use it as much until I got the James Charles one. And then I started to explore into color. So give it a try. So let's go ahead and get started. Without further ado, let's go. Let's just do it.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling, 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 falling,
I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be
Talk about a little colorful, huh? A little bold. Let's go in with some highlighter. Like, this isn't enough. But I'm gonna go in with the Ofra Pillow Talk and dab it off because this is intense. Let's just go behind it. I did add a little bit of the blue dots even right here on these. Don't ask me why. I'm going nuts. That's what's going on today. Oh, that's a lot. Oh my goodness, no problem. We just turn the other side of the brush and brush it out. Let's put some on the nose. So let me tell you guys, I'm trying to decide what lipstick. I have a few in front of me. I even have like, gosh, this is intense. Whenever something is intense, you just go ahead and you take your beauty blender, make sure it's damp, and just damp down, and this will like melt it into your skin and you know, calm it down a bit, because this is drastic, but it required some drasticness. This is amazing. Oh my god, like you can literally see, I could see the blue. And I've tried one other mascara that was colored, and it did not. So ColourPop, amazing. This, amazing. This is Prance, and this is Sky High. Yeah, Sky High and Prance. And one swipe and it's like boom, in your face. It's there. Okay. So anyway, I thought about using watermelon soda because it's what I used. It's what I used as the eyeliner. So let's go ahead and try it out and see if it goes. This smells so good. It smells delicious. It's creamier than his other formulas. So I thought this might be like a glossy thing. That is definitely in your face. It's even on my tongue. That's how creamy it is. Alright, let me come right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Now, mind you, you don't have to go with such a bold lipstick like I did with the watermelon soda. But I figured, you know, like, it's Jeffree Stars. It's either go bald or go home. You know, there isn't no, let me get a muted color. But if you do want a muted color, obviously this is for pictures or a party or something like that. I don't expect you to put this on and go to work. But you can go with like Christmas Cookie, with just like a little bit more muted type pink. Or you can go with Can't Relate, which is more of a skin tone. I would do this, but it's got glitter, so well, now you can't really see it. Or you can go with a more nude towards the brownish sides. I'm terrible at people. A friend of mine, she's like, "Oh my god, I love the way you describe the colors." That's just me, like, you know. I know there's warms, there's cool tones, there's all that, but when I look at these, like, this has a bit of a pink in it, and this obviously has more of a brownish tint. So that for me is how it goes, or it's either a peach, and obviously the rest is like bold colors. So you saw that I went in with the Ofra highlighter Pillow Talk. I thought it was perfect for this look because, you know, it's so, you know, I should have changed my nails for a more dramatic aspect. But this is the look I created using the Jeffree Stars Jawbreaker palette. I had no problems with the colors. I think the lightest one was cute. The rest of the colors, that some of them are just a little bit like Gumdrop is alright. Bubblegum, decent color. This beautiful beachy one, if I say that word, I might get you know, flagged. So anyway, but it's wonderful so far. I'm loving the colors that I've been using. I still have a few left, and I'm still trying to decide. I feel like if I'm correct, you know, this is my boldest look compared to the other one was pretty bold. I want to say it was like a semi-glam. This is like a boom, boom, ding, ding, you know. And then my last one, I feel like I'm going to end up using colors that are more everyday, maybe like these colors here, and incorporate another one of the shimmers, and kind of see how it works. Or I could go and end up being both, because this is very bold palette. I love it though. I love it. I think it's a fun palette to play with. So if you are like me, that you do looks for Instagram, then obviously give this a try. Oh my goodness, I didn't set my face. Let's set my face. Let me put this back. Okay. We're gonna use Gerard Cosmetics. This is Slay All Day. This is in coconut. Get the little fan ready. And here we go. I honestly don't even know why I'm setting it, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm going to be washing this off and doing another look. Today is double duty. Double duty! Okay. Sorry. All right. So anyways, I hope you like my look, and if you did, please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. Other than that, please, I want you guys to know something, like whatever you're going through, it's temporary. You will get through it. And at the end of the day, you're not alone. We're huge, and I tell this to a lot of people I know. We're a huge family of people that are, don't have perfect lives. So whatever you see online, social media, any of that, don't listen to it, because half of those people take the picture, and at night and right after, they probably break down and cry. We're all trying to get through this world. It's a little difficult, but you're not alone. And don't think that anybody's life is better than yours, because it's not. We have to make our lives better for ourselves. So you guys take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, let's just hit the button. Hello, my darling. Hello, my honey. Hello, my bakery. Are you singing to me? Oh my God, I'm glad I don't have lashes. You would have blown them up. You think this is too bold? It's too much, right? Just a little too much. Should I go to the movie theater like this? Scare people? Okay.